wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come and shut up selector boy.
What's the again? You don't know your boy Jambisco. There on now. Banger guys. Yo guys, we there man with Mr. Madman, Mr. Skate. You see me and say who me I talk about today? Yo, you're supposed to know who we are dealing with, man. You see me? This is a new artist on the block that we rock with over here. I've been doing this thing, man, and you know what I'm saying? And he's up and coming. You see me? That'll be spitting. He got a different style. You see me? The nigga be spitting chopper music, but he be sounding like you know what he doing and what he talking about. He don't be sounding like one of them fakers. You see me? And it seems that he's very young in the game. He's like a young youth coming up in the game, man, and he's doing his thing. React to song like Madman, Porridge, and 451. You see me? I say until we're gonna check out Bob Ponzi. I actually got a lot of requests to do this song. I should have been did it already, but we're just now getting around to it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, real Skippa style, man. You see me, dog? You see me, dog? Look like say dog in the States. You see me? I say last, cause every song I see me look like in the States, dog be traveling either in the States or England. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, dog be killing the game. Dog style and everything, just dog style and everything, man. You know what I'm saying? So we're interested in check out this more and work and see what else he got in store for us and where he's taking his career. And you know what I'm saying? But yeah, people been requesting this one to enter the Bob Ponzi. I'm just now getting around to it, guys. My bad. Yeah, see me, but we rock with Skippa, man. He's doing this thing. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna jump right now, chuckling all of the vibes. It's Skippa, Bob Ponzi. Let's get it.
Skipper, you have the game in your hand. You know they can't fucking stop you at this point. All those motherfuckers, those scumbag, they have to just hide yourself right now, bro. It's your turn. Nice.
All those motherfuckers, they gotta hide their stuff right now, man. Yo, bro, it's your turn. See me, Baba, come to take away.
Time, bro.
Me say I scamming over music. I'm Bob, know the pre, a big beast, man. Skate, I'm an half degree. You see the league, man. Play, I never can a league. Feel I know the Skippa can't league. Talk about it. My money heavy, make me walk and dip.
The man say I'm scamming over music, bro. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Scamming over music. That's crazy. That's crazy. Some people will probably be like, yo, that's crazy for him to say, but nigga, whatever making you eating more, whatever I get to I eat more food right now, or more money right now, that's what you're gonna say. You know what I'm saying? Regardless of, you know what I'm saying? So that's crazy. You must be making money scamming.
Brand new 5th gen, me make it hard and spit. And them I said the money load for me gigantic. But just a fuck with the music. But man, I scam my bro really and truly. Drop a couple bad songs, now they want to know how me full of.
Man say, yo, me just a fuck with the music. But man, I scam my really and truly, dog. Yo, that's crazy. You know what I mean?
Be a bad bitch, kill.
Like the music just my little plaything, my little hobby, you know what I'm saying? It's scamming on my profession. Yo,
I know that the group, I'm a natural. I think it's how the lifestyle chose me. New sauce, I'ma see them a bite it. Another song about chop, I'm in the queue, and I like it. My Balenciaga moves, I'm in, I'm a Nike.
Man said another song about chop here. Yeah, I don't care who don't like it. You see, because this is how we do it. You see, this is how we live. So I'm gonna be, hey.
The Skippa go fall, but that probably unlikely. I wanna chase with hate. Coffee my skull send pay dead face. Take it first charge quick so the payment trace. But don't pay for my sins from my enslavement days. The game fake.
I'm in a raw with blood clean. I'm in a war with fake. But don't said be a dead face. I want to you know war with bait. I want to you don't said be a skull send be a dead face. I want to money me at all.
Come done go see it an artist so make money. Me no bother want do it. Me prefer charge up my skull and then go burn your receipt. Charge up my skull and then go burn your receipt. A straight Welsh chop and no use Scotia. Chop a big fat beast, make it cause a road. Like on your dogs from top 10.
I don't blame you, The man say, yo, if scamming now make money, dog. If artists now make money, I don't want to see it, dog. I gotta charge up your bang and then that shit you see it. You know what I'm saying? I gotta chop your line. You see it?
Start it over. Chop you know the line, not so me can't come over. Where the fuck that boy I come from? Thank God for my uncle Sam. So me want buy a beer for the man, no bill scam. Yeah. Just a fuck.
I said, thank God for my uncle Sam. You see, thank God for America. This scamming that's crazy.
With the music, but man, I scam my bro really and truly. Drop a couple bad songs, now they want to know how me. Full of be a bad bitch, kill another the groupie.
Man, I said, just a fuck with the music. Man, I scam her really and truly. You see me, Drop a couple bad song, everybody wanna know who him. You see? Hey, Skippa, you doing your thing for real, man.
Yeah, man, not try. Thing is like the lifestyle chose me. New sauce, I'ma see them, I bite it. Not a song about chop, I'm in a queue, and I like it. Make Balenciaga moves on me, in my Nike. Said the Skippa, I go fall. Class can't play on the music. I'm up, no the pre, a big piece, man. Skate, I'm in half degree. You see the league, man, play, I never.
Easy no money, man. So they see the style and they might try bite it. Eh? Y'all trying to take Skippa style, man. Oh, go on, no easy.
Kinda league. Finna know the Skippa can, make we talk about it. My money heavy, make me walk and dip. Brand new 5th gen, me make it hard and spit. And them must say the money load for me gigantic.
Money heavy, damn, me walk and dip. Oh, tell them I say the money load, mine gigantic. Oh,
just a fuck with the music. But man, I scare my bro really and truly. Drop a couple bad songs, now they wanna know how owe me. He'll not do the groupie. It's like the lifestyle chose me. I'm in the queue and I like it.
Say no, try to think that I got a lifestyle choosing me. You see me? Easy do this, man. Easy no Skippa.
Moves them in, I'm in Nike. Fall but the valley unlikely.
Really and truly just a fuck with the music, you see me? If artists now make money, you don't want to see this. You see me? Rather charge if you bang and dash your receipt. To them. Man, they have to make money. You think man they have to play around? Eh? That they have to make you money, man. What you mean? Shout out Skippa, bro. Can't blame the man. Whatever making you the most money, I give you the most bread. That's what you gotta go with. You see me, an idea about making the money, you think about fame and in a highlight and then a camera and then sitting there. No, so it's about that bread, man, being able to help yourself and help your family and them all them things there. You see me and say, yeah man, that was a dope track. Big up Skippa, that was Bob Ponzi. You see me? Real dope track. I enjoyed that one, guys. I hope you enjoy it too. Definitely hit me up, let me know what's your favorite part in the comment section. Was it beat lyric Mary? I already know what time it is, man. Skippa showing a lot of promise. You see me? He's an upcoming artist. His style different. You see me? He's talking about chopper music. You see me? Do the chopper and the scamming thing, but he talks about it a bit different. You know what I'm saying? He come off a little bit more smoother. You know, a little bit swagger. But the way that move and in video them look like this man be getting to the back for real. You know what I'm saying? Right now, the mirror can wear no freight brands or none of that. You see me? The whips them in his car be expensive off jump. You know what I'm saying? Like some artists with some big budget. You know, Ferrari and and them thing there. Man, you can't get links trained, but regardless, and to me, dog doing this thing, man. So shout out to Skippa. Enjoy that one that was entitled Bob Ponzi, guys. Let me know what y'all think about that one. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let me know. It's got Jambisco dancing you. You don't know, guys. And if you like the video, go ahead and like and subscribe button, man. You don't know. New month starting, guys. Kicking off new month, man. The goal for this month is 1,000+ subs, guys. You know what I'm saying? 1,000+. It means 1,000 or more subs. So help your boy out. Yeah, see me. We're trying to hit the goal and shoot past the goal. We're going strong. You don't know, we're on the road 10k subs right now. I want to hit 100k, man. You know what I'm saying? But we're trying to hit 10k right now, but we want to shoot past that, blow past that 100k before the year done if you can. You see me? So help your boy out. Hit the like button is free. You see me? They don't cost you nothing. Don't charge you nothing. It's free. Hit the like button and you help me out. Help the channel grow. All that, man. But yeah, man. Damn mafia, till next time. I don't know. I was here on a banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.